Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Also, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. We definitely like that as well. Again, if you guys do trade the US session, make sure you guys check out the market analysis for the US session, which is about an hour before the US session open. Give you guys some ideas of the levels we'll be looking to trade. Also, check out the tutorial videos here on YouTube as well. Definitely helpful when it comes to trading. But with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on here. So for S&P 500, we are developing resistance right at these 43.60.25s. Above that's right around these 67 to 68. Nice little bit of a double top there and a pull down. So want to see if we get this rejection, and from this level, look for this to try to pull back down right around these 43.40s to as low as about 43.35.25. That's going to be the area of support we look for on the downside. Again, resistance above 67 is going to be 43.75. That's going to be the area of resistance, so we'll keep an eye out for that. But support may come in. Had a nice V bottom right here off these 35.25s and then pushed right back up to resistance. Want to see if this area pushes us right back down into those 35s. So we'll see if we get that opportunity, and if we actually get the support coming in right around those 35s during the London session. But not too much areas right now, as we are not trying to plot too much levels here on S&P for right now. We'll see what happens during the London session. But let's move over into gold. So for gold, pulling up the chart here, we can see we got 1, 2, 3 touches right off that resistance, 1853.4. You can see the market's trying to bring itself right back down. So want to see if we get back down to this support here, 1841.8, and then if we bounce, that's going to be a nice opportunity for a long to continue this bullish run here. But we got to break through these 1853.4s. If we do, we could see this continue to extend up and continue that uptrend. So just keep that in mind as we're trying to travel to the upside. Support right now, 1841.8 is what we're looking for. If we can't break those 1853.4s, that is going to be the area we look for developing short there to push right back down to 1841.8. So just keep that in mind. Those are going to be the areas that we look out for. Support underneath 41.8 is 1829.1. That could be an area we bounce off as support as well. So we'll keep that in mind as we draw into the London session as well. Moving over into crude oil, let's take a look at what crude oil has for us. So crude oil got some resistance here right off these 85.45s. Want to see if the market can actually bring us back down deeper into the support 84.53. So we'll see if we get that opportunity, but you can see creating lower highs here. So want to see if we push past this support right here. We're going to have to get through this small little area right there, right at those 85.03s, if we want to see more downward movement. So got to keep that in mind as we're trying to travel back down to the downside off this resistance. If we break up through 85.45, next level up above that 85.71, that could be a nice triple top area. We'll look for a nice push lower from that area as well. Resistance above that 86.07 is the resistance above, so keep that in mind too. That's where we could look for some short opportunities coming in. But again, oil gonna have to break through those 85.03s first. If not, we may end up getting a nice bounce here and then a push right back up to 85.45. So just keep that in mind. Below that 84.53 is the next level, and then below that 84.14 to about 84.06. That's going to be the areas of support down below. So we're trying to keep those levels in mind as we draw into the London session, see if we get some opportunities. But right now it may be setting up during this Asian session for a push lower into our support levels. So we'll just watch out until we draw into the London session, see where we're at, and get some opportunities for trade from there. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Other than that, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys take care. Have a great night.